Hello guys, welcome back once again. In today's session, we are going to learn about two more commands. One is your divide and one more is your measure. So how it is going to be divide? So this divide and measure, these two commands, they have been given in your ribbon, and it has also been given in your menu bar. Under your draw toolbar, you are going to find point. So under those point, you are going to see the divide and measure. So you cannot divide the point over here, or you cannot divide the point. Because of that reason only, it is not going to work with respect to point, it is going to work with respect to a line. For that case, what I have done, I have been taken an example over here, which are the lines to be divided over here. I have been taken everything. So I have been taken small examples. It is going to work with respect to a line command, it is going to work with respect to your polyline, circle, arc, your rectangle, your polygon, circle, polygon, everything. It is going to be work except your ray command and extended line, that is your construction line command, because those two are infinite in length. Because of that reason, we cannot divide that one, so it is not going to divide in this case. So here I have been taken a length of line as an example, 10 units. If I want to divide this 10 units length of line into four parts, or three parts, or two parts. So when you want to divide this line in equal halves, so during that course of time, we are going to use this type of command. So where you are going to find this divide and measure command, you just hit on your draw ribbon bar. So here you are, under this you are going to find the divide and measure here. Or if you are hiding your ribbon box, if you got only with respect to your toolbar, then what you need to do is just hit on your draw toolbar. Under this your point, you are going to see, under this point you are going to see divide and measure, right? So here, how can I divide this line into three equal parts, or how many length of segments of line you are going to get? If I want to divide this line, number of length of line segment, for example 1 2 3, if I was taking 3 length of segments, then you are going to get the 2 points. So how it can be used means, see here what I will do, just I will type in the command box div. I have been written a shortcut key for your divide command, right? So don't confuse with respect to divide and measure, because here the same two different methods are there, so it is nothing to worry. So when you are going with why they have been given the same two different methods means, because the measure is the upgraded version for your divide command. So because of that reason only, you are finding the length of command, length of segment and by block. No need to worry about that one, I will teach you everything. See here, first what I will do, I will type in the command box div and I will hit enter. So it is stating me that in the command box, select the object to divide. Which object you want to be divided, you need to select that object. See here, I have been taken the object as a line of 10 units. When I hit on this one, or when I select this line, what it is going to indicate me in the command box, so it is asking me enter the number of segments, how many lines of segments you require, you need to enter over here. So when I will type as 4, and if I hit enter, see here the line of segment will be the 1 2 3 and 4. 4 line of segments are there. How many numbers of points it has been created? 4 minus 1, that is 1 2 3, right? The same way here I have been taken one more is aligned line. So if I want to divide this aligned line, so if you want to check with respect to dimension, you just go into the dimension under this linear. So you just select this one first, right? See here 2.5 units is there. So if you want to what will call okay, if I want to check with respect to the next command also, you just check out here, all you are going to get the 2.5 units, right? It has been divided into four equal parts, right? Four length of your line segments you got, and 3 points. The same way, if I want to divide an inclined line, so here I have been drawn a freehand line. I don't know how much length of line it is there. So here what I will do, I will just divide this length of line into 5 equal parts. How can I divide that one? Just type in the command div, right, and then hit enter. So now it is asking me select the object. Now selecting the object, now it is asking me how many lines of segment or how many number of segment you required. So I will write 5 and I will hit enter. See here 1, this is 2 and this is 3, 4, 5. 5 segments and 4 points it has been created. If you want to check this dimension, you go in the align. See here, this is my first, right? So what I will do, I will place here. So what I will do, you can just check out here, you are going to find the equal lengths, right? Equal length of line, it has been divided. The same way here I got what I call one rectangle object I have been taken. So if I want to divide this one also, you just hit enter and you select the object and you just press the 10 and you will hit enter. See here, this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. In 10 equal halves it has been divided. The same way, if you want to divide your circle, you just do the same procedure. Div, hit enter, select the object and just write here how many numbers of segments if you want to divide. Here I will write 6 and enter. See here, this 6 equal parts it has been divided. Same, one more I have been taken polyline. So what I will do again, the same procedure I will follow in polyline. Now I will select the object and I will hit around 7 and I will hit enter. See, 7 length of the segments you have been created here and it has been divided. For SP line also you can draw this case how you are going to divide the things. It is work in your SP line also. Select the object and you just what I call write the number of segments. If I was typing 3, so here you are going to get the 2 number of segments. So one more arc is there have been taken over here. So you can work with respect to arc also. You can divide that one, right? Arc also you can divide and you can just type here 4 and enter. See here 3 number of points it has been created. One more object I have not taken as your polyline. So you can divide your polyline also, no need to worry. So see here I have been taken this polyline. So divide and hit enter, right? div enter, and now it is asking me select the object. Now I will say 8 and I will hit enter. See here 7 number of points it has been created on my screen. So this is how you are going to divide your any object in AutoCAD with the help of divide command, right? So now we will see measure. When we are going to use this measure command, when we know the exact length to be divided, so during that course of time we are going to use your measure. Like I'll take a line command over here of 10 units, right? What I will do, I'll take 10 units and I'll hit enter. So this line to be divided in 4 equal parts or 3 equal parts, but each line segment should be of about 2 units or 3 units. When I was going to say 2 units or 3 units, so when I say 10 units of length of line is there, if I want to divide into 3 segments means, so what it is going to do, 3 3 1 is it might be get 4 or 3 3 3 and at last you are going to get the 1 units of line. See here what I will do during this time, you just tap on your draw menu, you select this what will call measure, or you go in the draw toolbar. Under this draw toolbar you are going to find the point. Under this point you just tap on your measure, right? So here you can measure, you can tap on this one. So when I was selecting, now it is stating me that select the object to measure. When I was selecting this object, it is asking me length of segments. So what I will do, I will just write 2 and I will hit enter. So here 2 enter I have been given. See here, it means I have been given each length of line segment 2 should be the 2. In last case what we have done, we have given how many lengths of line segment we needed, but during this course each length of line segment how much distance you want, right? So what I will do, I'll just check out the dimension for this one. See 2, right? Again 2, right? If you want you can check for all the cases, you are going to find the same dimension over here. You can check for all the cases, you are going to get the same dimension, they have been divided into. See, for example, if I want to divide the same 10 units length of line, I was taking here 10 See here, if I want to divide into 3 parts, so it will divide first 3, second 3 and third 3, but fourth will not be created any point because you are going to find only 1 units of line over there. See, for example, what I will do, I will say ME and I will hit enter. Now it is stating me that to select the object. When I select the object, now it is asking me the length of segment, how much length of line you required. After the how much length of line, it should create a point. When I say the 3 units, if I hit enter, see here, the first might be you are getting the 1 units, then 3 3 3. See here, check out here, this might be the your 1 units, right? So one more is your what I'll call see, the next might be your 3, the next might be your 3, and the next might be also 3, right? See here, you are getting the 3 3 3, but here you are getting 1 units, right? So each line segment, it has been divided the length of exact. When you know the exact length of line to be divided, then during this course you can use your measure command. So under this you got what I'll call, we have chosen with respect to length of segment. If I want to work with respect to block segment, so for this case I need one block object. So this one small chair I have been taken, right? So here this I have been created in block. So this block to be placed on your line. So what I will do, I will write one line over here, random line I was taking here, and if I want to place this exact on your what I'll call length of line, so how can I place this one? So first we will go with respect to divide command, div, and I will hit enter. It will ask me to select the object. When I select the object, it is asking me the two methods. First method we have seen now, length of segments. Now we will go with respect to block. So it has been clearly mentioning you B in the blue color. You just tap on this one, or you can just write a capital B, only one word. So whichever the capital words they are indicating in this comment box, you just need to write that one and you hit enter. Now it is asking me that enter the name of the block. For this block I have been created, I have been given a name called A, right? So I will hit enter A, and I will, after typing A, I will hit enter. Now it is asking me align the object with the object, because it is a straight horizontal line. If I was saying that inclined line is there, so if I was saying yes, what it is going to do, it will create the object along my length of line. If I was saying no, during that course it is going to place only in horizontal, it is not going through your align of your line. So during this, by default it is yes is there, so I will press yes, right? Now it is asking me enter the number of segments. So what I will do, during this time I will take 3, so we will find 2 chairs of equal lengths. See here, what I will do, I'll just check the units, right? See, this is my first point over created over here. You can check out the dimensions, it is clearly visible for you. Check out in 3 equal parts. So as I told you how it is going to be divided in the case, so equal parts it is going to divide, right? So you are going to get how many number of points over here. As I told you, in divide you are going to get, when the length of segment is 3, so you are going to get the 2 points. So here I was getting only 2 object, that is your blocked object, right? This is how we are going to do in case of your what I'll call divide command. So when I was taking the same object with respect to your measure command, so what I will do, I will take length of line about 12 units, so I will hit enter. See here, I got the 12 length of line, 12 units length of line. If I want to place this chair on this case, so what I will do, during this course, now it is asking me select the object. Once I select the object, now it is specifying the same 2 different methods. So first one we already discussed, so I will go with respect to the second one, block. Now it is asking me the block object name. I will hit enter. I will enter the name of that block I have been given as A, and I will hit enter. Now it will ask me whether it should go with respect to the line. Definitely yes, I will say. So now I will give each block to be placed at 4 units length of line. See here, I have been placed over here. If I want to check the dimension of this one, see here, this is my first, right, and this is my second point at equal interval. You can check out, this is my third. It has been placed in equal dimensions or equal length of lines, right? So after 4 units this should be placed, because I have been taken this base point at this particular point. Because of that reason, it is placing at the after 4 units length of line, it is placing my first chair, and first after this base point, the next base point should be at the 4 units length of line. Because of that reason only we are getting the 3 objects. I hope you understood this. If you are facing any difficulty in this case, please ping me. Definitely I will help you out. You comment in the section and definitely I will help you out, and I will come up with a new video to make you more easy understandable. Thank you.